Today we're going to be learning the eh sound. But first, let's recap some of the sounds, some of the caption actions for the sounds that we've previously learned. Do them with me. S, ah, t, p, I, mm, mm, d, g, o. So the sound we're learning today is eh, and the caption action is egg drop. This is a capital E, and this is a lowercase e. Pause the video and have a practice of these in your books now. I'm now going to sound out a word using the eh sound. T, eh, mm. Can you hear the word? I'm now going to use my phoneme fingers to sound out this word. T, eh, mm. 10. Now have a practice with your adult, using your phoneme fingers to sound out these two words, like this. We're now going to have a go at writing the eh sound. You start on the line, you lead up, you loop the loop, and lead on. Pause the video and have a practice of this in your books.